Jason Ellis here, showing you how to put tires on rims. Basic stuff. Come with me.
Gotta pop one, no warm up? No warm up?
No, I don't want to end up like him. Very smart.
Yo, you bought all these tires with the quickness.
Goes drifting for one day. Stacks of tires.
20 minutes.
Look at how addicted he is. He's instantly at the shop. One tire. Look at this guy. Boom.
I didn't come here to take part, you know? I came here to take over.
Woo!
Take over. Get strapped though. It's like the nicest thing we've ever had. Who's on sick? Who says we can't have nice things? See how long this is? It's strapped on your whole house.
You selling or sold this?
Yeah.
Damn.
So this is going to my good friend Jason Ellis. Brought him drifting once. He got the bug. We've been talking about it ever since. He's like, I need a drift car, and I was like, I have one that you can use.
I didn't know it had like a cool steering wheel in it.
Oh yeah.
That was a
Only
bonus.
the best.
Yeah.
You just tap the clutch, that's it? You didn't touch the brake.
No, don't touch your fucking brake. You don't need it. That's what I'm saying. This car, when you're underpowered, you have to drive real hard. I always use
So wait, you just stay in second the whole time and just touch the clutch?
Clutch.
But then why'd you handbrake it too close so you pulled it back?
Yeah, just a little bit. Switch up and get you acclimated. Oh yeah, Jason. Hit the clutch hit. Yeah. Just go back, just reset yourself. All right, go for it. You want to be just a little lighter on the transition, right? So you really snap that sucker, and if you can lift off the throttle for a split second and back in it, it's going to give you more control. Slow it down. It's going to give you more control. Just smooth it out. Yep, just like that, just like that. Now back. Yep. Yep. That's good. Just stay on it. Stay on it. Stay on it. Stay on it. Yep. 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 Yeah, dude. Come on. Okay, go. Hold the wheel, hold the wheel, hold the wheel. All right, lift off, lift off. There you go, that's it. Oh, tired. You had it. Son of a bitch. That was it.
Hey, man. Popped your first tire in your new car.
Eat some shit.
Man, 20 minutes in and you made this?
That's not entirely me. You can't do that. That's unfair. Uh-oh. Celebrities probably.
Yeah.
Those guys are
Ken
funny.
Block, you know, he's a
I knew it. Nah, get me some shit.
Are you gonna mount some tires today?
Yeah.
You just gonna have them just do it and redo it and redo
Yeah.
it and redo it?
You wanna? Oh, you can't help us. You can't
You
work.
know,
out. You're too dressed up. Look at
It's
this.
Fancy Fridays, bro.
Fancy Fridays. We're rolling. Can you step in the frame?
All right, you gotta say this. Hello, I'm Elegant Ellis, and this is my tire changing palace.
I'm not elegant. Holy shit! Look at that thing! Oh! Ready?
This is how you mount a tire.
This is Elegant Ellis here, showing you how to put tires on rims. Basic stuff. Come with me. This is a rim. This is aftermarket. You lock this down, so what you do first, you press this little foot pedal. We can get foot pedals and then Bob's your uncle, she's locked in. Then you want to get a tire. Very important when you put tires on, you want to see, say outside. See, this is the outside, similar to the out back, but a bit different. This is the outside of the rim. That's how it goes. All right, lube. That one is gonna slip on real nice. Foot pedal time again. Now, bottom side of the tire is resting on this metally doobie thing here that holds the tire and the rim. One side on top, one side underneath. And then you press this other foot pedal and block your uncle. It's more about the technique and the vibe. You've got to hold on to it. Stuff really common sense. Back on the lube train.
Shit out.
So you get it on when it's in its right spot to start to pull the tire on. You just track it a little bit with the foot pedal. That's about enough right there. Not wait. Yeah, that's good right there. Yep. Then I bring this thing over. This is, I don't know what it's called, but it's like an arm. And it's got hydraulics on it. So it kicks ass. So you put it right here. Drop it down about there. A little more. Not yet, so I'm going to put this thing over here. Maybe you just kick back and relax. I got this. Press this foot pedal. Release. Now you release the whole wheel. Freedom. But first, to put air in it, you have to take this off, and then you have to use this thing. Just met this thing for the first time ever today. This goes in this hole in there, and you can take the whole thing out of the thing that's making the air stay in there.
Valve
Just,
stem.
huh?
It's the valve stem.
You can take the whole valve stem out. Whenever you want. Just with this. Get it in there. And it just becomes one with the valve stem. And then it just comes out together like they're friends or something. Valve stem. Right. Now we need to put air in it. Put this thing on there, just pinches on, boom. Now it's ready to go. Once again, full pedals. Yeah, you gotta be careful when you're putting air in tires. If your hand, you have your hand here, you could injure your fingers. Safety first. It does that. Try not to flinch. Amateurs do that sometimes when they hear the bang. Not me. Come on. Yes. One more. That was the bottom. That was the inside of the tire connecting to the rim, waiting for the top side to connect. When that happens, now you're ready to go. Ken, what's up with the tire pressure? I'm sure your tire pressure machine works just fine. All right, that's it. It's good enough air. This is the most tricky part of the entire thing. I'm going to put the valve stem back in, but when I take this off, air's going to come flying out. So you got to hold on to this when you put it in there. Otherwise, the whole thing will go flying out, and then you'll have no air in your tire, and it's over. Then who's going to find that? Not me. Okay, here we go. I'm sure my technique is solid. Oh yeah. So it's kind of like pull out, put in. Here we go. That was a bad effort.
That was really good.
Actually, it was pretty good. You should see me. Boom. Got yourself a tire with air in it. This has been Elegant Ellis, your car lesson of the day.
Boom. Are these your first aftermarket wheels? You got them bangs?
There's the bangs?
You got them bangs.
Them bangs.
Yeah, you got them.
That seems a bit weird for an Australian to get into. Them tangs, it's not.
That's an elegant stroke you got there.
Okay. You want the hook side to go like this? That's pretty good.
All right, now the far right. Kick that up. Second pedal. Valve stem. Man, supervising really hurts my toe.
There it is.